On part 1 of How Plants Work, we discussed how plants use water and the minerals in the soil to grow produce. After the fertilization of the ovary, which is found within the pistil of the flower, the immature fruit begins to grow. Inside of this ovary, the seed produces hormones that cause the cells of the ovary walls to expand and multiply. Not all plants can have the same amount of sunlight and water. Plants like ginger and kale need more shade than sunlight. Other plants like radish and squash can handle more sunlight than shade. If you're going to grow your plants in an area that doesn't have any access to shade, you can purchase row covers, which allows your plants to still gain sunlight without having too much. To grow more of your plants, you can cut off a healthy large piece off of the top of your plant to propagate it. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, follow us on Instagram at EBLLCINC, and on Facebook at Easton Banks Learning and Life Center. Thanks again. See you guys next time.